Knock knock.
Who's there?
It's Kara.
Kara who?
Kara has been unleashed at Rampart in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Lovely Las Vegas.
Y'all, so walking by and this machine caught my eye. I don't know if it's a new game, but I've never seen this game. It's Storming Jackpots. So it has two of my games that I play on Lightning Leap, but I guess they kind of changed it up, changed the name. So we're just gonna test it out and see if we can hit a jackpot with it. Oh,
That's low.
Casino Riches. We'll try this one first.
Let's go. 1 cent denom, 50 cent bet. One more.
Oh,
There we go.
Nice.
Okay, new game, bonus, first spin. Kara, what do you think about that?
It's amazing. I'm trying to figure out, is there different denoms? I don't think so. I think max.
Maybe
It's
when you
1
push the
cent.
menu.
Okay, we'll test it out.
Let's go, let's go. Nothing.
Orb, not orb. Coin, yes.
There we go. Do we have a bonus within a bonus?
We got a bonus within a bonus.
Nice.
Let's go. Drop it. Drop. Nice. More. Oh.
Nice. Ooh. Got 25 bucks there, Kara.
On a 50-cent bet? What? Oh.
There we go.
Nice.
Okay, fill this thing up.
Okay.
New machine magic.
2 more.
Something big right here, right now. Let's go, let's go.
Big. Nice.
Ooh.
One more for the grand.
One more for the grand at $2,537.
2 more spins.
Big. Save
One more.
it, save it, save it.
Save it.
Do it.
That is okay. I'm good with this 25.
Oh yeah, good way to start it off.
Get a cabbage patch. So I think 1 cent is it.
I don't think so.
I think it is because the jackpot's only 2,000.
Does it
The
change
jackpot
with
over
the?
there is at 11,000.
Yeah, but does it change with the denom?
I don't think so. I don't think it changes.
Okay,
37.50.
we'll figure it out after we get these free spins.
Mini. Ooh,
There you go.
Get
Little
that
wild.
wild.
Okay, we got 5 of a kind on our roulette table.
Oh,
Was that a banner, Kara?
it is a banner. How much?
50 cent bet. You're at about $22.
I don't even know
Okay,
what it was.
we don't know what's happening. I'm
One more. Nice. All right. 54
54 bucks is not bad for a 50 cent bet. That's
Okay.
about 108 times your bet.
So let me see. Oh.
What if you click the 1 cent? Nope.
Oh, yeah. Wait. No.
Huh. Let me know in the comments if you know how to play this game. Does the denom change?
I don't think so. 185.
2 more.
Ooh.
So I'm assuming it's the same 6 coins that we need there.
Yeah, 6 coins. And the suitcases. We just got it. 3 suitcases. Ooh.
I'm a little upset that the denom doesn't change. Like it's kind of uneventful. 3 more. Oh, you got to make a decision.
Stop that.
So I noticed that you
150?
can change the bet down there on the screen, but you're doing it with your hand on the buttons.
Right here.
Oh, I saw your major go by there, Kara. Oh, the nasty five.
Nasty five.
The major is in play.
I didn't see it. $0.90. 150. Come on.
Kara, did you like how I resisted the urge to say 4 more?
I did.
2 more.
Oh.
There you go. But it doesn't show you what you win. Okay, we got a banner.
Should I just wait?
Click and see what happens. So 1785 shows down here. Okay.
$0.36. Ooh.
You got a lot of activity going on there.
One more. All right. 250. 3. Oh.
Come on. The freak nasty 5 and the indecisiveness.
One more. Okay, let's do 5 and then we'll call it. Since there's not much.
I like to sit there and figure this denom thing out.
There's no more denoms.
There has to be.
There's not. That's why the grand is so small. We're down.
3 more.
3 more. Come on. Oh,
the first 3. Followed by the nasty 5.
3 more. 3 more. 3 more. Oh.
Make a decision.
Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on.
1 more.
Oh.
Oh, you're getting 5 to death there, Kara.
I think I'm done.
Okay, here, let's goof around. What is autoplay? Did you
It just spins by itself. Like once it's done, you don't.
Okay. And there is no.
See, did you see that?
No, I didn't see anything.
So 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent.
So that's how you change your denom. You go out of the game. So now we have the same grand.
Okay.
But that's not beneficial though, because the grand, the minor and the mini changes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do that again. So we'll go to 2 cents. We'll continue to play then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since we know what we're doing now.
Okay. So.
Because they say changing denoms is like changing machines. So we want to see which denom may pay us out. Roulette table for $2.70.
3 more. 2 more.
Oh, I saw a lot of cases. I'm happy with this denom.
Oh,
1 more.
Yeah!
There it
is. Okay. Whew. Hold and spin. Oh, this way. I kind of like this setup. Like
something big right here, right now. Let's go.
Oh, come
on. You gotta save it. Save it. Come on, give us a save.
Nice.
There it is.
Thank you for the save.
$1 save. Save $1, huh?
Oh.
Big. Let's go.
Yes, thank you.
Another $1. Big. Give us that major we saw earlier.
Oh, okay. $2.
$2. I saw your $100 minor go by.
Come on, big.
Let's go.
Oh, save it.
Save it.
Oh.
It tried.
Whole $18.
We're proud of every 18 one of those dollars. 4 more.
Okay. Oh.
Those chips are everywhere, and so are the cases. This could be something.
One more.
Make a decision. Nasty 5.
$3 bets. One more. Okay. What's next? 5?
Oh yeah, $5 and then $10 is your highest bet on the 2-cent denom.
$6.50
for the Royal Flush of Hearts.
$6.
All right.
$8. One more. Should I do 10?
I don't know if I like this denom anymore. I think we should move on.
Let me just do one.
Okay. Ooh, you got to do another one now.
Okay.
Never mind.
Nope. Okay, let's do 5 cents. 125 bet is the lowest bet. 2 more.
I'm concerned with this little grand. Like, does it come out more, or what's the max on it? You know?
I don't know. That's a good question. 3 more.
3 more. You got first threed.
$3.75. Oh.
There you go.
Nice.
Queens and ladies and roulette tables. Got your little banner happening.
46.
46 bucks.
It's like hesitant.
Yeah, it's new.
$6.25? Give it a shot.
We like the $625 bet now.
Ooh.
The minis at 50 bucks on the 5-cent denom.
Okay. Next.
You got $12.
$12.50.
All right, get out of there.
10 cents.
Oh, I like me some 10-cent denom.
$2.50. Lowest bet on 10 cents.
Oh, they just went by in the 4th and 5th reel.
$5 is next. I feel like the 1 cent was the best
Was
one.
hotter than the rest of this crap.
$7.50. One more.
You want to go back and play with the 1 some?
Let's go to the other game.
All right.
Let's just test it out.
We didn't have to leave. We were right here. We
Right
didn't have
here.
to move.
Yeah. Okay. This one's Fire Idol. Oh, this one's pretty.
So I don't know what we need 3 of.
So we need 3. Maybe these?
We'll see. 4 more.
Oh, no, we need the fire. These,
Okay, good. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
So 3 of the volcanoes and 6 of the money suns.
Okay, I'm gonna go to 2 cents.
Oh, that could be fun. What if you went between denoms between games?
Oh, that's an idea. 2 more.
And then our tiki is our wild.
3 more. Oh. $1.20.
Once hit denom on the first game.
Huh? Go back?
Yeah. We'll play that 1 cent and then we'll get out of here. So you left off with the nasty 5. They're all showing, but we are running out of time.
Running out of money.
So I don't think I feel like putting another 100 in a new game, but I mean,
don't.
You know?
No, I'm not. I was feeling it at first, but now I'm not.
One more.
Oh, it just went by. I saw it. Couple more spins. Press the bolt. Lucky chance.
Lucky chance spin winner. You got yellow.
Got a little something. Press the bolt. Nothing. All right, guys. See you at the next one.